You better turn up.
Hey everyone, it is Jessica from PlanIt Southern, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the planner and the pens that I used in the month of March. March was a crazy busy month for me, but with my planner and my phone I was able to keep everything together. So let's take a look at the inside. Well, actually, let's take a look at the outside of this planner first, then we'll move on to pens, and then we'll take a look at the inside. So the planner that I decided to use is a Ballerina Lush number 5, which is also a B6, and I got it from Foxy Fix. And I got, I think, light pink stitching and the white elastic. And I got a little fox and pip bow on the front. The only complaint that I have is that it bunches right here because of the pocket, but everything else is absolutely gorgeous on this planner. I absolutely love it. So the pens that I used today, or for this month, I used several, but these were the two main ones. This is a pink, sorry, I was about to say rose. It's not. It's a pink TWSBI, and this one right here is a champagne Pilot D'Amico Vanishing Point. I used a pink ink from Jerbon in the TWSBI and the black in the Pilot. So this is my pen pouch from the Planner Society. Inside of the pouch I have my Starbucks gift card that I used to cut washi and some tweezers. Lord have mercy, I can't talk today. And then I have several fountain pens. This is a classic TWSBI Diamond 580. It just means that everything is clear on the inside and the grip is clear. That has a Jerbon brown shimmer ink. This is a TWSBI Eco, and this has Noodler's Gray inside for the ink. And then this is the turquoise Diamond 580 AL, and I absolutely love this pen. It is so pretty. I believe that also has a Noodler's Lexington Gray. So then I have several other fountain pens that I used for journaling and whatnot. This is a Conklin Durograph. I think it's the ice color. This is one of the first fountain pens that I got, and I still absolutely love this pen. The nib is so good. I want that Duraflex. So this is a Monteverde Artista pen. Everything's going to be linked down below if I'm able to find links for it. A lot of the Diamond 580s that I have are limited edition. This one is hard to get as well. That's the pink, I think it's the Artista Crystal. So this here is a TWSBI Diamond 580, and it is the mini version. And I like the mini version because I can untwist the lid or the cap and I can screw it onto the back. This makes it easier to fit in your hand, and it also makes it easier to not lose your cap and, you know, twist the piston. Sometimes you can twist the piston and ink goes everywhere. So that's one of my, I wouldn't say one of my favorite TWSBIs, but it's up there. So this is the limited edition or special edition for 2017 in the Vanishing Point, and there's something all over it. I think it's the glue from the washi, from the side of the washi. But this is a Pilot Vanishing Point. This is the Crimson Sunset, and that is my favorite Vanishing Point. I absolutely love it. This is the latest TWSBI. This is the rose color, and it is a red, and it is beautiful. I got it in, I think, end of January, early February. It too has something all over it. But I love that red color. This is again a TWSBI Diamond 580 AL. So AL just means that it's aluminum. A lot of times they'll do it in special edition colors. Once they're gone, they're gone. There may still be a few places you can find them around, but not many. So these are the felt tip markers that I use. It's an American Crafts precision pen, a Staedtler, and then these are the washies from the kit that I used. So I'm just going to put all of these pens back in my little pen bag. I'll deal with that sticky situation later, and I'm going to just put them all up, and then we'll move to the inside of the planner. Alright, so moving on, this is probably one of my favorite B6 planners. I absolutely love this leather and the design. I also love these bookmarks. These are pearl bookmarks and they have little crowns on the top. I got them from the Opal Wild. I'll have that link down below. And then you guys saw most of this setup. This here is a ticket that I got from a movie. I kept it there for my journal. But you guys have seen most of this setup already from watching my planner setup party for March. But this is my meal plan insert. I love this one. I actually just started using it again. I really like the setup of this insert. It's easy to meal plan weeks ahead of time. My next insert is for my bills, and this is, I want to say, my favorite insert. But this insert is lists actually in Annieplans, and then I just covered it with the word bills, and I use it for bills. So this is the back of that dashboard, and then this is a cleaning book is what I called it. It's really just a to-do list type thing. I used it a lot in the beginning. I haven't really used it that much lately, but it's a really pretty insert. This is one that Annieplans collabed with the Planner Society in January. So the next insert that we have here is my main insert, and I'm just going to let the music play while you guys enjoy the layouts. This is the monthly. All of the stickers used either come from my shop, the Planner Society, or Little Red Prints. That's a piece of vellum from the Planner Society, and this is one of my favorite inserts. I'm writing down all of the books that I read for this year, and then I'm using the pages in between to journal. And I was practicing some of my flex pen skills. So this is some of what I did for March. I did read a few extra books that I need to write down, but the rest of the book will be filled, and I cannot wait to get back into journaling and write out the books that I've read so far in April and finish up March. So this is another insert that I used. This one I used for my shop, and I actually bought it late in the game. I bought it I think in March, or maybe I bought it in February. I can't remember, but I know that I didn't start using it until March. The first week that I used it, I just used pen, and then the second week I used some extra stickers and washi, and I really liked how it turned out. So I really liked that. I actually printed out more kits to use for April just for my shop insert. So that's just a pretty acetate that came in the kit. And then this insert here is another insert, Tomoe rubber insert from the the Paper Penguin Co. And I just did my hurricane preparedness checklist for this year, some video notes, and then the rest I'm just going to use for whatever kind of notes I, feel like taking it down. So this was supposed to be a doodle challenge that I was doing in March. I did day 1 and then I never did it again. And this is the Boho Berry challenge. Didn't do that either. I did try and take some notes there in the middle, but other than that, that's it. This page is empty except for more flex pen practice there in the back of the book. And then this is just some sticky notes from this sticky pad. That's my writing board. And that is it for this flip through. I hope that you guys enjoyed this type of video. Let me know if you want to see a longer video or shorter video in the future. I love those bookmarks right there as well. They are just super cute. And again, the pen case is from the Planner Society, so are the bookmarks. And here are a few videos you guys can watch that I've already put out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you really like these videos. I aim to put out 1 video a day, Monday through Friday. Sometimes you get bonus videos, sometimes I don't get them edited in time. But I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching my videos. And if you liked this one, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends if this is something that you think they would enjoy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! I'll go.